One of the big promises that Donald Trump had made before he became the president was that he's going to end the war in Ukraine, Russia and in the Middle East. And now, talking about the recent ceasefire and the hostage exchange deal that has happened with the prisoners between Israel and Hamas, Trump is slightly doubtful of how this truce is going to turn out. Donald Trump has said, I quote him here first, Hamas weakened due to the war, and that Donald Trump may rebuild Gaza and the ruins, but Gaza by sea has fantastic potential, he's adding on. So perhaps in the days to come, we'll know what precisely will be the outcome of the ceasefire and the swap of the hostage and the prisoners. Joining me now, our Foreign Affairs editor, Geeta Mohan, for the latest on that. Geeta, tell me this. What is the Trump statement that has come in, and what should one make of what he has said when he says Gaza by the sea has potential?
Well, there were lots and lots of promotional advertisements when Gaza was being founded at the beginning of the conflict between Israel and Hamas, and that shown beachsides, beautiful resorts, and the Israelis, including some Americans, some from prominent Republican side as well, how Gaza can be turned into a very beautiful tourist destination should it come under Israel. So yes, that is something that has been a part of the conversation when it comes to Israel and Gaza, and how a takeover of Gaza or Gaza not being under the control of Palestinians, particularly the Hamas, was something that was a major part of the conversation within the Trump camp. So right now, with the kind of policies that we're seeing with Trump coming out, Pooja, and completely supporting Netanyahu, even before he won the elections, and the important, critical, crucial meeting between Netanyahu and Donald Trump in Mar-a-Lago clearly shows that he's taken a position on the Israel-Hamas war. He is very clear that the hostage swap or the hostage release has to take place. Now it has begun in a phased manner, but what the future for Gaza is going to be, something we'll have to wait and see. This
and also saying, Geeta, here, like you're telling us, that he tends to rebuild Gaza as well. Could we be looking at a phase where Israel, Gaza as two nation states can possibly find peace here on, or will the bloody conflict and the war only continue?